Money is nothing but solving problems. What if I told you that as a video editor, you can literally print cash every single month, no gimmicks, just by understanding what money really is? Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how my system works. First, why can I talk about that? My name is Noah Miguel and I started editing videos 8 years ago. Just last month, I closed a $20,000 deal with one client. I moved to Dubai. I fly with my clients towards Saint-Tropez, Germany, and other countries just because I understood this system, which I'm about to teach. So first, remember, money equals value, and value comes from solving problems. And when you edit videos, you are solving problems for businesses, business problems, making a product clearer, keeping viewers glued to the screen, and building trust. Those are the building blocks of value, and value pays you. So I'm about to share the exact bullet point framework I use to turn those building blocks into cash, just like last month, a $20,000 deal. Here's the brutal truth. 90% of freelance video editors think that they're cutting clips and a client will pay them for nice transitions and whatsoever. But that mindset makes them disposable and it will not pay for your bills. You need to package your service as a problem-solving engine for businesses. So here's the overview in 3 simple steps. So coming to step number 1, identify the client's real pain points. Is their watch time tanking? Are viewers dropping off? Is their call to action dead in the water? Nail down the KPIs that cost them literally money. Step 2, build your value package around that KPI. For example, you could say, I'll boost your sales page video so you can get 30% more leads. Package it as a guarantee, more leads, more watch time, more trust. This is literally the promise you're selling. Not just, I'm editing 10 videos. Coming to step number 3, master the outreach and close. Your first line needs to hit like a punch. Did you know that 90% of video editors fail because they only cut footage? I was one of them. And then I literally found out how to communicate with my clients over DM, and I closed thousands of dollars only because I knew how to write the right copy in cold outreach. So to summarize this all, just a student of mine called Nico, I can just put his video in, he closed a $20,000 deal just by understanding the whole printing money as a video editor. So if he can do it, your first $10,000 per month is only 3 to 6 months away with the real commitment. So click the first link in the description for a full blueprint. No fluff, just a system that turns and solves problems into paid invoices. The exact system I used and Nico used to literally close thousands of dollars. Or don't. I'm cool with either. I just want to make sure you hear it. Now and go solve some problems, print that money, and I'll see you on the other side.